Hi guys, so today I'm doing a little mini lesson on a main event. So as you remember yesterday from our video lesson, a main event is where we stretch out the biggest part of the story. That's where the action happens. So up until then, we have our beginning of the story where we present the characters and we present the setting. Then we also have our suspense. So we have the problem and what's leading us up to the main event. So where the problem really takes place. So yesterday, I asked you to read A Ride in Our Hot Air Balloon and think about how the main event would take place. But how do we do that exactly? Because today we're going to be writing about the main event. So first we need to understand, what is the problem in the story? Well, the problem in the story is that the character is scared to ride in the hot air balloon. So in the main event, something big needs to happen, but then it also needs to be resolved. So in the meantime, for the main event, you also need to provide as much detail as possible. And that means that you need to stretch it out, okay? How do we stretch it out? So first, we establish what the problem is going to be. So maybe because the character is scared, something happens, like the hot air balloon loses its fire, and then they struggle to get it going, right? And that causes the person to be scared. So when that's happening, you're explaining, what did the character do when that happened? What did the character see, hear, or feel? What did the character wonder or worry? And what did they say or exclaim? So for example, if we say that maybe the fire went out in the hot air balloon for a brief moment, what did the character do? Okay, maybe the character held tightly onto the basket so much that his knuckles turned white as he heard complete silence and saw the face of the attendant go white in panic. The character wondered, would this be his last time that he ever got to ride in a hot air balloon? And then maybe he screamed when he heard, or he exclaimed from happiness when they got the fire going again. So that is what you are doing. You are stretching out the main event by explaining all of these things. Now, I hope that helps you write. And remember, we don't just use one of these, we use all of them if we can. So that's what I'm going to be looking for tomorrow. I hope that this helps you a little bit, and please let me know if you have any questions.